The liver is one of the most vital organs in the body, responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and producing essential proteins. When the liver is packing out, failing, or struggling to function properly, it can lead to various symptoms that indicate liver damage or disease. Here are common signs your liver may be failing. 1. Fatigue and weakness. When the liver is compromised, it can't efficiently remove toxins from the blood, leading to overall fatigue and weakness. Symptoms include constant tiredness, low energy levels, and difficulty concentrating. 2. Jaundice or yellowing of the skin and eyes. Jaundice occurs when the liver can't process bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cells. As a result, bilirubin builds up in the blood, causing yellowing. Symptoms include a yellowish tint to the skin and eyes, dark urine, and pale stools. Abdominal pain and swelling. As liver function declines, fluid may accumulate in the abdominal cavity, a condition known as ascites. The liver itself may also become enlarged or inflamed. This can lead to pain or discomfort in the upper right abdomen, bloating, or noticeable swelling of the abdomen. Unexplained weight loss or gain. A failing liver can lead to fluid retention, resulting in weight gain or muscle wasting, which causes weight loss. The liver's inability to properly metabolize nutrients can cause fluctuations in body weight. Symptoms include rapid or unexplained weight changes without any changes in diet or exercise. Nausea and vomiting. A damaged liver can interfere with digestion and toxin removal, which can lead to nausea, loss of appetite, and vomiting. Symptoms often include frequent nausea, especially after eating, and occasional vomiting. Swelling in legs and ankles, also known as edema. When the liver fails, the body retains more sodium, leading to fluid buildup in the lower extremities. You might notice symptoms like swollen feet, ankles, or legs, especially later in the day. Dark urine. High levels of bilirubin in the blood can cause the urine to become dark, often resembling cola or tea. Symptoms include noticeable darkening of the urine even when you're well hydrated. Itchy skin. When bile and toxins accumulate in the bloodstream due to a malfunctioning liver, it can result in intense skin itching. Symptoms are persistent, uncomfortable itching without a rash, often worse at night. Bruising and bleeding easily. The liver produces proteins essential for blood clotting. When it's not functioning well, it reduces the body's ability to form clots, leading to easier bruising and prolonged bleeding. Symptoms include unexplained bruising, nosebleeds, or gums that bleed more easily than usual. Confusion and cognitive problems, also known as hepatic encephalopathy. A failing liver allows toxins like ammonia to build up in the brain, leading to cognitive issues. Symptoms can include memory loss, confusion, difficulty concentrating, or personality changes. In severe cases, this can progress to drowsiness, slurred speech, or even coma. Loss of appetite and malnutrition. Liver disease affects digestion and metabolism, reducing appetite and impairing the body's ability to absorb nutrients. Symptoms include a lack of interest in food, rapid weight loss, and signs of malnutrition such as muscle wasting or dry skin. Spider-like blood vessels on the skin, also known as spider angiomas, can be quite concerning. Liver dysfunction can lead to increased estrogen levels, which can cause small blood vessels to form near the surface of the skin. You might notice small spider-like red spots or clusters of blood vessels, particularly on the face, chest, or shoulders. Changes in stool can be a significant indicator of liver issues. Why? Well, liver problems can lead to changes in bile production, which in turn affect stool color. Symptoms to watch for include pale, clay-colored stools or very greasy stools that may float, indicating fat malabsorption. Bleeding or enlarged esophageal varices are another serious concern. Why does this happen? Advanced liver disease, such as cirrhosis, can cause increased pressure in the portal vein, leading to enlarged veins in the esophagus or stomach, known as varices. These varices can rupture and bleed. Symptoms include vomiting blood, black or tarry stools, or severe gastrointestinal bleeding. Hormonal imbalances can also be a result of liver dysfunction. The liver plays a crucial role in regulating hormones, and a failing liver can lead to imbalances. In men, this can manifest as enlarged breasts, known as gynecomastia or testicular shrinkage. In women, it might lead to menstrual irregularities.